Good morning, I'm meteorologist Michael White. This is our webcast on Fox10TV.com for Monday morning. Scattered thunderstorms are going to be popping in this afternoon and tonight. Some of those storms could turn strong or severe. More on that in a minute. We're looking to see the temperatures get cool as we officially start spring by Wednesday, and then as we hit Friday and the weekend, the possibility of some more rain will exist for our section of the Gulf Coast. But we'll focus on the storm tracker radar, and at the time we are recording this update at 9:11 in the morning, everyone is dry, but will not stay that way. As we move in between about noon and about 9 o'clock, the possibility of severe weather will exist for every county shaded in yellow, and as you can tell, that is the overwhelming majority of the Fox 10 viewing area. Now, understand the rain probability today is only 50%. Some of you may not see any rain at all today or tonight, but anyone that does, we could see the rain turn heavy and the thunderstorm associated with that pocket of rain turn strong or severe in a hurry. Understand that even though we're running in that noon to 9 time window, the main risk is going to be from large hail and straight line winds. The tornado threat today is very low. We'll continue to watch the storm tracker radar carefully for anything that looks to show signs of rotation, but the probability of it is very low. It looks like straight line winds and large hail will be the main threats with any severe storms, and as most of you know, those can pack a punch. So make sure you stay weather aware, have a way to get the warnings as we move in throughout this afternoon and early this evening. The 9 a.m. temperature is very warm, mid to upper 60s. Across the entire viewing area. Dew points have surged up beyond 60 degrees around Mobile and Pensacola. The dew point is at 63. The higher the dew point goes, the more moisture content is in the air, the more humid the air, and as a result, we start to see the air destabilize. And that is the reason that we have the risk of severe storms today. We'll have the high humidity. We'll have a high just shy of 80 degrees. So the thunderstorms could pack an extreme punch, and it's something we'll be watching for. At the time we're doing this update, the front is right on the Mississippi and Arkansas state line. It'll slowly track its way from west to east. As it moves closer, the probability of rain and storms will increase. Now, we have warm air here at the surface, but there is cold air aloft along that front. Combining the two, that's the main reason the large hail will be the main threat. The reason we don't have a big tornado threat today is because there's no wind shear. We would need that added to the instability, and we just don't have it today across the Gulf Coast, and that's a good thing. We don't want a tornado threat, but large hail and straight line winds will be possible along the front, and then by later this evening, once we get behind the front, our temperatures will decline, humidity will plummet, and the sky will clear. On the Futurecast model, understand rain possible really at any time today. We'll see some of it tracking from offshore to onshore, but inland is where most of the rain and storms will take place today. At 5 o'clock for the drive home, most of the rain will be very spotty. Eastern side of the viewing area will have a better chance, but once we move in by 10 o'clock, things calm down. We'll only see one final line of rain tracking from Jacksonville to Monroeville to Bruton to Crestview between midnight and 6 a.m., but that will be just a light batch of rain. The severe weather threat will end by 9 o'clock this evening. So your high today, 78 with a 50% chance of storms. Expect a southwest wind at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tonight will fall between 52 and 56. The storms will end. Northwest wind flow will make a comeback, and that will set the stage for a beautiful day tomorrow with a high of 74. Lows tomorrow night fall into the upper 40s. And for the first day of spring on Wednesday, how about 68 degrees with a mix of sun and clouds? Not too bad for the rest of the week, but late Friday and into Saturday, another system will yet again bring more rain to the Gulf Coast. That's your webcast. Thanks for watching here on Fox10TV.com.